Hello Aquarius and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do your love reading for the months of December. And please keep in mind that these readings are general readings and it may or may not gonna resonate with each one of you. So take what is resonating with you and leave the rest, Aquarius. And Aquarius, you can also check your other readings on my channel for having more information about your relationship. So let's get started with the reading. Spirits, guides, angels, what does the Aquarius person is thinking and feeling about them, please? So we are having here 7 of Wands, 7 of Cups, 6 of Cups, and 9 of Pentacles. So what are the Aquarius feelings towards this person's spirits? So we are having here the Magician, 2 of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the Moon. So what's the mutual energy? So we are having here 10 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. On the bottom of the deck we can see 9 of Cups. So 9 of Cups is a sign that whoever this person is dreaming about you, thinking about you. They're constantly having you on their mind, and I feel like they're not able to forget about you. They're really wishing to be with you, and they're having some kind of shocking realization about you as well. So it's making me feel like they were having some kind of confusions and illusions about you, but now their confusions and illusions about you are simply collapsing and they're seeing you with a different kind of a perspective. I feel like in this relationship it's very important for them to be a giver, to be the provider, to give you what you want and give you what you deserve. If they cannot do that, they cannot have you in their life. With the 10 of Wands, I feel like you're so exhausted. You feel like you have already gave a lot in this relationship, and this is the reason you don't want to give more in this relationship. But this person is right now going crazy. They are realizing so many things about you. I'm also seeing you could be dealing with any Cancer and Pisces with the Moon card. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are the significant signs I can see in this reading. So with the 9 of Pentacles, I'm seeing this person feels like you are single, you are beautiful. So they really like you because you are single and beautiful. You're very independent. So they really like this thing about you. And also they feel like you are like this opportunity for them. You can give a lot to this person. So that's why I feel like they would like to be with you. But with the 6 of Cups, another thing I can see here, that they could be trying to forget about you. They could be trying to move on from you, and this is not happening. They are not able to move on from you. I'm seeing that they're still thinking about you. They're constantly having you on their mind. They just want to know where you are, with whom you are, what you are doing in your life. With the 7 of Wands, they also have this feeling that if they want to be with you, they will have to fight for you. They will have to prove themselves to you that they are worthy of your love. They deserve your love. They can be your hero. So it's time for them to like prove themselves. Because if they can't prove themselves to you that they are worthy of your love, so they cannot have your love in their life, they cannot take things to the next level. And I'm also having this feeling that this person is constantly thinking about you, like you're constantly on this person's mind, and they are also reminiscing about you, you know. And with the 9 of Pentacles, like they also like you. So they could be planning something towards you, what I'm seeing. But I also have this feeling it's time for them to take a clear decision because they have very less time. In your feelings, you don't trust this person because they were keeping you in some kind of confusion and illusion. Also with the Knight of Swords, they were being very hot and cold towards you. One day they were loving towards you and next day they were not. So this is the reason you're holding back from this connection with the 2 of Swords, and you have become more protective about yourself. You're balancing yourself. With the Magician, I can also see that you're taking control of your life as well. So you are so done with this person, what I'm saying. But with the Ace of Pentacles, I'm saying they are thinking about starting this connection with you from all over again, because they are not able to forget about you. This is the main reason. I'm also seeing with the Ten of Cups, on the other hand, you are very clear about what you want in the matter of love. You know, you want to have Ten of Cups, you want to have family, children, something for a long haul, and you will not take less than that. So could be possible they were not ready to be the provider, they were not ready to give you stability, but now they know that they don't have any other option because they are losing you. So let's see what else we have, what else for Aquarius. Okay, so here I'm seeing with the King of Swords, they feel like you are giving them cold shoulder and you are not ready to have any kind of relationship with them. So they could be not coming towards you because they have fear of rejection. They feel like you are, done with them. You don't really want them. And we can see Five of Cups together with the Queen of Swords. So definitely they are very sad. They feel guilty for their actions. They feel guilty for messing up with you. They know that they have messed up with you. This is the reason you are cutting this person off with the Queen of Swords here. But now they are not moving towards you, even though they are missing you, because they know that you will not accept them or you are going to reject them. And they also know that they have messed up with the situation. So they have guilt, they have sadness, because they have this feeling like they could have handled the situation in a better way, but now they have this feeling like they have lost you. So even though they want to be with you, they have fear of rejection. This is the reason they are not coming. And on the other hand, you are doing a new beginning in your life without this person, which is a very good thing. I feel like you need to keep on moving forward and do a new beginning in your life without them. So let's see what else we have. What else for Aquarius? Okay, so here I'm seeing, they want to have a new beginning with you, but they feel very trapped. They feel like they cannot do this or they cannot do that. They feel the fear. They feel very, very trapped right now. But after losing you, they're also very sad and stressed out because they know that they are losing this golden opportunity with you. I'm saying that they could be like a runner, like they could be running away from responsibilities, could be running away from the work that they really need to do in this connection. So right now I can see the emotions of this person are very messed up. And we cannot have any kind of high expectations from this person. So if you're waiting for this person, don't wait for this person. Definitely they have guilt for whatever they did to you, but I'm not seeing that they will be able to do something about this connection, because for that, first they need to work on themselves, what I'm seeing. Also, I can see settling. Avoid settling for less than you deserve in love, and could be possible in the matter of love. They want you to settle. They want you to adjust with them. And even though they are not giving you what you want, what you deserve, still take it. And you don't need to do that. Do not forget what you deserve in the matter of love. Do not take less than what you deserve. This is an important advice for you, because probably they want you to lower your standard, but you don't need to do that for them. So that's all I have from Aquarius people here. I hope it's resonated with you. If it's resonated, so you can like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you, Aquarius, and love you so much. Take care.